for this holiday, we don't know where to start. At one point or the other. So, we never did. You can live with us if you want.
That sounds great.
We're dinosaurs. We don't hibernate for winter, my buddy. So those bucks hibernate for winter? Am I right there, bud?
Yeah, of course we do. I just miss my friends and family too, because they are more important to me. Ooh, babe. Get lost. Wow.
Oh. So, I'm guessing we'd have gifts now. You know, wishing for something that we celebrate for the holiday. Like just opening presents.
But we don't have one, you know that. Santa Claus isn't real.
Don't even say that, Mom.
Fine.
Well, you know, Santa's just make-believing stuff. So why not I pretend to be Santa Claus? Well, none of the dinosaurs never heard of Santa Claus before. Well, he never exists. So I thought I'd make children happy.
Great idea, Earl.
Who's Santa Claus?
Well, he's an old man in a red suit and gives out lots of presents to boys and girls. Santa will give you a present if you're good. If not, if you won't get any presents. That's all. He'll give you a lump of coal.
A lump of coal?
Yes, of course. You need to be a good little boy, or you won't get any presents.
Okay, I'll be good.
Good. Fran?
Hmm?
I was wondering. So, we could
I wonder what
build
Dad
snow
wants to get for
dinosaurs
Christmas.
or go
Maybe a toy
sledding
car.
until all the
I
snow
guess
melts
so.
until
Am I
spring
right?
comes back. Still thinking about this, Charlene. I just don't know what to get. Maybe my wife will love it. I still can't decide yet. Well, of course something special. You never know.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
So, Dad, what's out there?
I thought I saw Santa Claus or something.
Oh, Dad.
Merry Christmas.